Diazotization titration is a type of titration that involves the determination of substances by their reaction with sodium nitrite, NaNO2, in the presence of an acid. This method is commonly used for the analysis of amines and other substances that can be converted into diazonium salts. Here are some applications of diazotization titration. 1. Determination of primary and secondary amines. Diazotization titration is frequently employed to determine the concentration of primary and secondary amines in a sample. Primary amines react with sodium nitrite to form diazonium salts, which can then be titrated with a standard solution of a nucleophile, such as iodide or thiocyanate. Secondary amines react similarly, but they form less stable diazonium salts, requiring careful control of reaction conditions. 2. Analysis of aromatic amines. Diazotization titration is commonly used for the determination of aromatic amines, which can be converted into diazonium salts. The diazonium salt formed is then reacted with a coupling agent, such as beta-naphthol or aniline, to produce a colored product. The intensity of the color is proportional to the concentration of the amine. 3. Determination of phenols. Phenols can also be determined by diazotization titration. The phenol reacts with sodium nitrite to form a diazonium salt, and this salt can be titrated with a solution of a coupling agent, such as beta-naphthol, to produce a colored product. For quantitative analysis of nitro compounds, diazotization titration can be applied to the quantitative analysis of nitro compounds. The nitro compound is reduced to an amine, which is then diazotized and titrated as described above. 5. Determination of sulfanilamide in pharmaceuticals. In pharmaceutical analysis, diazotization titration can be used for the determination of sulfanilamide, a sulfonamide drug. The sulfanilamide reacts with sodium nitrite to form a diazonium salt, which is then titrated. 6. Analysis of dyes. Diazotization titration is employed in the analysis of certain dyes, especially those containing amino groups. The amine groups in the dye molecule react with sodium nitrite, and the resulting diazonium salt can be titrated to determine the dye concentration.